Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Discord link to your TikTok bio, right? So here, as you can see here, this is one of my Discord server and I want to paste it over, I want to put it over my TikTok bio. Go to here, invite on one of your server or the link, you have to just copy the link. So I've already copied it. Now I have to open TikTok. So here my TikTok, and once you are inside the TikTok, in the bottom right side corner you will see a profile icon. Go there. Now tap on edit profile. Now here basically you can't paste it over the Instagram, neither on the YouTube. So where you are going to put your Discord link? It's very easy. You have to put it over in your Discord, right? I mean bio. So here inside the bio you can just write something Discord link, right? And then you can just paste it over here, right? You can be creative and you can just paste it however you want, and then just click on save, right? So whenever a person will open your profile, that person can easily get to know. For example, let me show you. If that person open your profile here, this is my own profile, that's why. So that person can easily tap on the Discord link here, and that person will get redirected to Discord, right? And just like how they tap it over the YouTube or Instagram. So this is very easy thing to do. Instead of Discord link, you can just put any other link, whatever you want over your bio. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.